we are going to start one of the topics of grammar, rhetorical question. But before we get all the information of this topic of grammar, it is essential to know the definition of the term rhetorical question. So rhetorical question means such a type of question to which answer is not required. It means that rhetorical question is a question only in a form, but actually it is asked not to get answer but to make forceful statements, and such types of questions are normally used by the speakers or the orators in order to make forceful statements. It means that they just want to convince the people with their views, ideas and opinions. And so normally speakers use in their speech rhetorical questions because they in real sense want to insist their opinion on the minds of the people. So rhetoric actually means an art of using words impressively in speech and writing. The word rhetoric, the literary meaning of rhetoric, the word rhetoric is an art of using words impressively in speech and writing. So rhetorical question, which is also called as a figurative question, normally used by such types of people because every time their only purpose is to insist their opinion forcefully on the minds of the people. And now we are going to see the very formula of using rhetorical question. The formula of rhetorical question is that when question is negative, when there is a negative rhetorical question, the statement is always positive. For example, when we see isn't it fair, this is a negative rhetorical question. So the statement will definitely be positive. Isn't it fair means it is fair. Isn't it fair means it is not. Isn't it fair means it is fair. And the second formula of rhetorical question is when the question is positive, the statement is negative. When the question is positive, the statement is negative. For example, is it fair? This is the positive rhetorical question. So the statement will be negative. It is not fair. So this is the main formula of rhetorical question. Question negative, statement positive. Question positive, statement negative. And by taking into understand the meaning of rhetorical question or the statement of that, the meaning of that statement, we can definitely make rhetorical question which is a question only in a form. And in poetry also, many poets use rhetorical question or such type of figurative language in their poetry because in real sense they want to insist their opinion on the minds of the people or the readers. And so in poetry also many times we get rhetorical question as a figure of speech, such like many figure of speech like simile, metaphor, paradox, repetition. Rhetorical question is also a figure of speech in poetry which is used by many poets in their poetry because in the case of central idea or theme of their poem, they want to insist their opinion of that particular poem on the minds of the readers. And so the poets also use rhetorical question in their poetry, and also many speakers, leaders and orators normally use rhetorical question in their speaking, and their purpose is never to get the answer from the people, but on the contrary they just want to make forceful statement, and in order to make their speech more efficient, more impressive, they use rhetorical question in their writing, in their speaking. So here we can say that a rhetorical question is a question only in a form, and we can't at all expect the answer of the question of rhetorical question, because the answer is always consisted in the rhetorical question. But it is just asked not to get answer but to make forceful statement, or here we can say that to express our idea or opinion impressively, we can use rhetorical question, and especially speakers use the rhetorical question in their speech. So in this way we have completed this topic. Next period we shall see another topic.